My role is to lead a division of around 250 people, comprising inspectors, specialists and administrative staff, and we're responsible for regulating all of the onshore chemical industry in Great Britain. One day is never the same as the next. It's constantly changing organisation. There's lots of challenge, lots of things to really get your teeth into, and in particular you can really make a difference in the sort of things that HSE does. One of the first things that struck me when I joined HSE was the camaraderie of your peers, your fellow inspectors and also the admin staff. I was made to feel very welcome and at home very early on, and there's no doubt about it. I was exposed to a range of very difficult situations, dealing with fatal accidents, difficult occupiers, and that sense of purpose and camaraderie was very important. And that's something which exists today as well in HSE, which I think is particularly strong in the organisation. Generally, a lot of the skills we have in HID are transferable across HSE, but we clearly need people who have experience of working in the chemical industry or in process industries because of the particular challenges that the chemical industry are facing at the moment with ageing plants and reducing skills base. So we need people who can understand that either from their previous experience in work or are able to learn those necessary skills and approaches with the industry. As a regulatory inspector, you're faced with having to make on-the-spot decisions all of the time. There have been a number of occasions where I've been dealing with construction or the major hazard industry, where I've walked into a workplace and found things not quite as they should be and have stopped the work, even in circumstances where I've found people in very, very hazardous situations, and I've walked away from there knowing that, you know, I may well have saved a life or prevented someone from having very serious injury or ill health purely because of my involvement and the action I took on that particular day. I find that very rewarding.